Hey guys, and welcome to the video. We are going to be going over what I received in my Ipsy Glam bag regular as well as my plus for May of 2022. These bags are absolutely gorgeous. This side is pink and I love them. Some of you really don't like the bags, but overall a lot of you do like them and they're just so cute in person. I don't know, I really like the bags. The bags are super cute. So if you guys want to see what I got in my bags this month, then definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to plug my second channel here. So I do have a farm channel now. It is called My Tennessee Farm, and I will have that linked down below for you guys. I have 55 animals. I actually wrote them all down, so I could remember exactly how many animals I have. So I have so far 20 babies right now, 4 of them which are French Pearl Guineas. I have 17 regular chickens, one's a rooster, one's a turkey. I have 5 goats. I have 3 pigs. I have 3 randoms, which is a bearded dragon, a bunny, and a cat, and I have 7 dogs, totaling 55 animals. My next video that's coming out is going to be preparing my pigs for birth. Both of my pigs are going to be giving birth any day now, so that's the next video that will be going up on that channel. So now that I have plugged my farm channel in, let's go ahead and see what I got in my bags. So which one should we start with? This one. These are actually pretty good bags this month. So the theme is Wild Beauty. The card is actually so cute. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive. A fresh mani, botanical skincare, going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. Honestly, I can't run barefoot in the grass anymore because there's poop everywhere. So let's do this bag first because it's actually a really good bag for the price. So the very first product that I received, and you can receive any of these products, this one is from Way. And this is the body cleanser, which I definitely need a body cleanser right now. So bad, which sounds gross, but it's a whole thing. I'll explain in a minute, but I want to see what this smells like because Way products are so good. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. We love that so much. Okay, now we have a little palette from Complex Culture, which you guys know is a brand made by Ipsy. We get them all the time. So this is an eyeshadow palette in Fresh Start. And based off of this, I think it's going to be a nice little nude palette. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is actually really, really cute. Here are the colors. Let me just do a little swatch for you guys. Oh, these are actually very soft. Okay, so the shimmers are actually really pretty. Now for the matte shades, which are very creamy. That's just a very horribly swatched swatch, but you get the idea. These are the colors of that. And then we also have a full-size product here, by the way, from Beauty for Real. This is a neutral lip liner, Define. So let me go ahead and swatch this. Very, very creamy, a really, really gorgeous rosy mauve color. Perfect for spring and summer, and I love the brand Beauty for Real. I have a lot of products from them that I've acquired from Ipsy, and they're actually really, really good, so I'm very happy about that product and to add that to my lip liner collection. Next up, we have a product here from First Aid Beauty. This is the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. So this is a brightening under eye cream. Fun. And then lastly, in the regular glam bag this month is from Ico, and this is the Black Magic Coco Edit Liquid Liner. So we have a black, or not a black, we have a brown liquid eyeliner, which I have only one other brown liquid liner, and this is actually so nice, and it does have the cocoa color to it, so It's definitely named correctly, Coco Edit. It's definitely a cocoa shade, so love that. So that is everything in the regular glam bag. What do you guys think down below? What did you get in your glam bag? Which you guys can go to your Ipsy account now and see the products that you will be receiving. So let me know what you're receiving down below and if you're happy about them and what product did you choose. Now, let's get into this, you guys. I'm like hype because there's some good products in here. Plus, I'm Red Bulling today because I have a lot to do. So, let's get into this bag. First off, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, which I do have, and it is a very good product. Kate Somerville is amazing. Love Kate Somerville. So I have that to add to my collection. Next up, from Pear Nova, a hydrating cream, which sounds actually really amazing. Massage liberally into skin, repeat as needed. I need this. I about killed myself. I need this right now because I am, oh baby, sunburnt. I bet you guys weren't expecting that. You guys were like, oh, she looks so good. Oh no. I'm absolutely sunburnt right now. That's why I'm wearing long sleeves and it's hot outside, because I don't want to get burnt anymore. So I'm gonna try that out. Next up, from Lovecraft Beauty. I haven't actually seen this brand in Ipsy in a hot minute. This is an eyeshadow primer. Let's see what this baby looks like. So here is the packaging. Let's see. Okay, so it's like a little squeezy tube. And it feels kind of loosey-goosey. I don't know if I would like that as an eyeshadow primer, especially because it's very oily feeling. So I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to like that, especially if you have oily lids. I don't think that's going to work for you, unfortunately. Next up, we have a little palette here. This is from Formula Z. This is called the Transforming Beauty Palette. And here is what it looks like. Really cute cotton candy vibes. I guess it's a face palette based off of the photos in the back. So, oh, okay. So we have some highlighters and blushes in here. Super cute. It actually looks like this one has been touched already, but that's probably just them packaging it and using their gloves and stuff. But yeah, that is that. Now let's get into the last product, which is the one that I was really hoping to receive, and this is the Rodeo Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is something I've gotten in the past and I sold on Poshmark, and then I wish that I actually had kept. So this is a product that I would definitely mix in with a moisturizer or a primer or just on the skin, just to give a nice radiant glow, but also obviously to apply it before makeup so you get that overall glow effect. So there it is here. And then rubbing it in, it definitely feels moisturizing and hydrating. Has a really nice scent to it. It's kind of strong, so if you're not into fragrances, you might not like that. But it is giving a, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell with this lighting, a really good glow to the skin, like a natural radiance. So very, very, very excited to have this product in my collection again so I can actually use it. But yeah, that is everything that I got in the plus, and you could be receiving any of these items. I don't know what you'd be receiving. You guys go check out your bag in your account and let me know down below everything that you got in your plus this month, as well as what product you picked. So anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. And don't forget to check out the farm channel. It would mean so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!